Swadejim sensing in the next episode, Faraday's recovered memories could reveal a secret that changes her understanding of the year she lost rather than simply giving the family another enemy. After remembering Dickel and reclaiming the name Daria emotionally, Faraday becomes experienced in dreams about a woman who repeatedly helped her during the darkest period of her life. At first, she assumes these are confused memories, but she eventually recognizes the woman in an old photograph from the social foundation. The woman is still alive. Dickel and Faraday look at her expecting answer about Ferman, but the meeting becomes deeply personal. The woman explained that Faraday once had the chance to escape alone and refused because several younger girls would have been left behind. She helped to organize their escape, even though doing so resulted in her being captured again and losing contact with the people who could tell her true identity. Faraday is overwhelmed because she has spent months viewing the missing year only as something stolen from her. Now she learned that even without remembering who she was, she continued protecting others. Dickel tell her that his proof she never truly lost herself. Their sisterhood becomes stronger than ever. The witness also reveals that Ferman later searched for Faraday because he believed she possesses a list of names connected to be terrifying operation. Faraday has no memory of such a list. They began searching through belongings she kept from those years. Meanwhile, Irkan case reaches a turning point. Prosecutor increasingly doubt his confession and his lawyer tell him he may soon be released. Instead of feeling relieved, Irkan worries that suspicion will immediately move to Dickel. He finally agrees that the best strategy is to tell the complete truth about Ferman's threat. Dickel is shocked when he says he will stop trying to control the outcome. For the first time, Irkan finally accepts that protecting Dickel also means trusting her to face consequences beside him. Elsewhere, Tahir finally tells Nilüfer that Irkan is Fikrat's son. Nilüfer initially thinks he is joking, then realizes the truth. Explain year of strange tension. She wanted Irkan told immediately. While Tahir still hesitates, Insi discovers that both children know and fear losing control of the secret. It belongs to someone whose family is tied directly to the elders. The episode could close with the sisters starting at the page as they realize exposing Faraday's past may also